What a beautiful bird. I've never seen anything like it.
Follow me, Chiamaka. Your destiny
This
awaits.
place is incredible.
These treasures belong to the one with the purest heart.
All that treasure will soon be mine.
Greed only brings trouble.
If you want to create videos like this, stop scrolling. A new AI platform just dropped. Go to your browser and type Pixverse. Yeah, once you type it, you're going to see this. Then you tap on it, it will open this interface for you. Very easy and beautiful interface. Once it's loaded, the next thing you need to do, as always, is to sign in. In this place, you're going to see an icon up. Look at it, log in. Sign up with your email. Then you go to an app called Gemini. It's just like ChatGPT. Yes, Gemini is an app that's like ChatGPT. So when you go to the Gemini app, you tell it to generate a prompt story that you can use to generate image. That's what I did here. Then it's generated the images for me too. You get, tell it the story or just an idea of what you want. It will create the story, the prompt for you, then to give you the image. That's what I did here. Look at the beautiful images it's created for me. Very stunning images. Then you save them to your gallery or your photos. Now we'll go to ChatGPT. You'll create a story. Tell ChatGPT to create a story for you. Should give you the dialogue and the image prompts. Then you copy the dialogue. You copy it. Then you go back to the Pixverse platform that we are using. We're going to be using it to create our video. Downward, you see describe the content you want to create. Beside it, you see a box. You tap on the box. It shows you this place that you see photo library. Choose photos. Just tap on photo library. Choose the photos, those images that we downloaded before. It's going to load them. Then you tap on the image. It will show this purple sign. Then you click on confirm. It will load. Then those dialogue that we copied from ChatGPT, we're going to paste it here. Once you paste it, you just look down. You see aspect ratio. You just select the aspect ratio you want to use. Then you're also going to see resolution. You select the resolution. Then the box next to it is where the AI models are. Grok AI, Sedans, VEO, Sora, Pixvel. You know, a lot of AI tools. You select the one you want to use. Once you select it, the next thing you do is generate image. Look at it beside there. You see create. You tap on it, then it will start creating the video that we're going to be working with. It's just as easy as that. It will not even take long. Once the video has been generated, you're going to download it. That's all.
What a beautiful bird. I've never seen anything like it.
Follow me, Chiamaka. Your destiny awaits.
What a beautiful bird. I've never seen anything like it.
Follow me, Chiamaka. Your destiny awaits.
Let's create the second scene. So you go back, go to where you select the image. Once the image loads, tap on it. It's just the same process that we're going to be repeating. Once the image loads, tap on it, then you click on confirm. Once it's confirmed, the former prompts that we used to generate the first video, we're going to delete it. Once you delete it, we'll go back to ChatGPT to copy the dialogue for the second scene. So this is what I did here. I went to ChatGPT, I copied the dialogue for the second scene. Then I went back to the Pixvel platform. Then I pasted it. Once you paste it, as always, you select your resolution. You select the AI model you want to use, be it Grok AI, be it Sedans, be it Kling, be it Pixvel, anyone. Then you create. It's just as easy as once you just tap on that create, your image will just start generating. It won't even take up to a minute. Once your image gets generated, you download it into your phone. The images are very clean, very crisp, the sounds, the audio, very clear. Now watch this.
Treasures belong to the one with the purest heart.
This place is incredible.
These treasures belong to the one with the purest heart.
This place is incredible.
Let's create the third scene. So we'll go back, delete the image, delete the dialogue we used to create the second scene. Then we tap on the image back. See, it's pick the image for the third scene from your gallery. Once it's loaded, you tap on it, you see that pop-up icon, then you click confirm. We'll go back to ChatGPT to copy the dialogue for the third scene. Once you copy the dialogue for the third scene, you go back to the Pixel app and you just paste it there. Once you paste it, select your resolution, select the aspect ratio, select the particular AI tool you want to use, then you create. Once you tap on the create, it will start generating the video for you. It's just as fast and as easy as this. You can create up to 1 minute video. You can create a lot of videos with these easy steps. Once the video finish generating, you just download it straight into your phone or into the file in your phone. Then you just repeat the same process to create your next scene till you are done creating all the scenes that you want to generate.
All that treasure will soon be mine.
Greed only brings trouble.
All that
Let's create the fourth scene. Now go back, delete the image of the third scene, delete the dialogue of the third scene. Then you would click on the box, select the image you want to use for the fourth scene. Then you go to ChatGPT, select, copy the dialogue that you want to use for the fourth scene. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. Once you copy it, you go back to the platform. Look at me, I just pasted it. Then I tap the box behind it, select the image from the gallery. I forgot to select the image before, that's why I'm selecting it now. Once the image loads, you see one pop-up icon, you tap on it, you see confirm, tap on it, create your resolution, your aspect ratio, select any AI model you want to use, Grok AI, VEO, Sedans, Pixelverse, Sora, just name it. They have lots of free AI tools, unlimited. Then you create. Once you tap on create, your video will just start generating. It will not even take long. See, you can use this particular platform to generate up to 20 videos. I say you will enjoy this platform. Just give it a try, then tell me how you just felt. Tell me your whole experience in the comment section. Guys, I'll be waiting for you. Once the image gets generated, the next thing you do is to download it into your phone, then repeat the whole process again.
Everyone.
Will you keep the treasure for yourself or help your village?
I will use it to help everyone.
Now let's create the fifth scene. You delete the video and dialogue of the fourth scene. So you go to your ChatGPT, copy the dialogue of the fifth scene. You go back to the Pixelverse platform. You paste the... No, you can paste the dialogue you copied or select the image first. Anyone you want to do, just do it. Once the image and the dialogue are ready, select your aspect ratio, select your AI model, then you create. Once you just tap on create, your image will start generating fast. Once your image gets generated, you download it into your phone and you move to the next scene. And just repeat the same process till you are satisfied with the amount or length of videos you want to create.
You have changed our village forever.
True wealth is sharing with others.
I have successfully created 5 scenes using this Pixelverse app and ChatGPT and Gemini for you. I hope you'll be able to learn 1 or 2 from this video. If you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section and I'll reply. Don't forget to like and subscribe also. And once you run out of credits in this platform, all you just need to do is just log out of your email and sign into another email. Then they will give you extra credits and you just continue creating videos. Thanks for watching to the end. Bye. Love you.